In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone any website. So here, this is the template that I saw, and I'm like, okay, I can like recreate it. So look at this. Very similar. The top, I could make it also, the header, I could make it similar. Then also we got it right here. Then also this section, I could make also the photo overlapping the second section if I would like. Then I got my life here. Then also, how does it actually work? Also, then there is like, I made a loop, the testimonials, things we will do together. And look at that. I mean, we got different fonts, but you actually see that it works. Here also, some of the things you got with me. And then there is a photo. It didn't do the kind of like the zoom in, so I would have to also edit it, but also I could do that. Then the block. And also now comes the FAQ, and then the Moon Coach, the Lumen Coach. So you see it actually worked, and I'm going to show you how we can clone website like this. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clone any website that you want with Claude Design. It's going to be effective without coding, without being frustrated that something doesn't work. Now, how it works is that first you're going to find the website that you want to clone, right? So I found something here as an example that we're going to get as inspiration, and this is something I found out. This is the like a Moon Coach template, and what I'm going to do, I will right click and then you're going to click screenshot. So all you're going to do is capture full page as a screenshot and download it. So now I'm going to also download this one right here. Let's just scroll completely down, screenshot, capture full page, save, and then we're going to have the contact form here, screenshot, capture full page. It's completely up to you how kind of like complex you're going to make it. And now what you're going to do, you're going to click on a Claude Design. I'm using a Claude Pro account. It's going to be sufficient. And then what you're going to do is that you are going to just paste the screenshots into the Claude Design, what you want to build, and then you're going to write a prompt. So now I'm just going to simply write here, clone these screenshots and make me a website for myself in the same way as they're in screenshots, mobile friendly, responsive, ask me questions about design, animations, information, analyze deep with the screenshots and make it like that. Don't create your own stuff, stick to the screenshots. Now I'm just going to send it, and what is going to happen is going to ask me questions. Okay, so then it's going to ask you questions. So we're gonna, like fill all the details. So when you're gonna have it, then you're gonna press continue on the bottom right. Okay, so this is the website that it made. It needs a little bit of editing, but it doesn't look bad comparing what I wanted to build. Now, right here on the bottom left, you can do the editing. So we can write there what you want to change, or you can click here the comment and I can just like do this and draw and write about it. Or what I can do, I can click edit on the top right, where you're gonna click here and you can edit the text by yourself. So on the top left, you're gonna have option also to duplicate the project. Always do it before you're gonna make any big changes. Now, many times, I don't know if you can do just like do the complete clone of the site, but you can do a lot of inspiration where you can change the colors, you can change the things, you're going to change the content, maybe have different animations. So this is like a great way how you can like start building a great looking website. Now how it works now is that what we're going to do is that we need to do some changes here. So I'm just going to write here, have the testimonials on loop, constant, okay. Also the FAQ is behind the fog, it's not fully visible, fix it. And I'm just going to screenshot it. Now of course, then when I'm going to click here, I will just like paste the screenshot what I want to have changed. So that's what I mean. The last two sections are got this fog. Now, also, what I'm going to show you is that how you can get fully working contact form. So how it works is that you need to go to Web3 Forms. And when you're going to be in Web3 Forms, you want to sign up. It's completely for free. And I'm just going to write here temporary email. Let me just like log out from here to show you. So you're gonna continue with the mail, then you're gonna paste the email right here, send verification code, And now it's going to get the verification code here. Okay, and now what you're gonna do is that you're going to find here the form setup, not form setup yet, but form setup. But many times when you're gonna choose the plans free, then you can just like click on the form access key and you're gonna copy it. So also add me form access key from Web3 forms. And then I'm going to change also add a contact form here with the code. Okay, and now I'm going to send the code here. So here I'm going to have, here is my code, add it to my website from Web3 forms. And now when they're going to do it all, I'm going to send it that we want to export as index.html. So export me this site as index.html to upload it to my hosting and domain. So check this out, it made the changes that I wanted. Also, I got the index.html. So here it looks very similar what I want to build. Look here on the loop, the reviews. Then I got also things we will do together. Also, the FAQ is great. Also, there is no fog anymore. And then for the contact page, we got it. So how it works now is that when you exported the site, it's going to give you the index.html site. I come here to websites and I'm going to come here to dashboard. And when I'm going to be in the dashboard, there you're going to find the files and file manager. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have public HTML, delete, that is everything here. And now I'll just upload the index.html, all right? So like that, and paste it. Okay. Okay, so we got it. Now I'm going to come here, and when I have the index.html done and it's finished, I come to websites to check if everything is working, websites, and I'm going to open the site. Look at that. It's fully working. And you can play around with it even more, and you can make it way better, way complex, completely up to you. If something is not changed to the way you want, what you're gonna do is you're gonna screenshot it, and then it's like paste it to Claude how you want it. It's going to do it for you. That's that simple. So have a great day, guys, and goodbye.